and welcome back to my channel Moit Studios. I hope you all remember that it's the time of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has forced us to watch online as well as social media. And what did social media do? It also gave way to fake news. Yes, fake news. Fake news is the topic of my video. And to bust fake news before they take over your life, you have this game called Go Viral. So let's start and go right into it. The Fearmonger, the first level of the game. So here's a welcome speech for this game. So before we start, we need to pick a special avatar. So we have 4 avatars here. Joel, Miriam, Noah, and Aisha. I always prefer Joel. He's the great guy. So let's post something to social media. And I'll give you one cheat sheet at this side. Whatever you post also, same message will come. Check out some other posts. And here's another cheat sheet I'll give you. You can click the second post of everything. Second reply. Second option. This is nature. Okay. Suppose you have to keep going down, 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 down. And now you got to call it a bubble. Okay. Here's another cheat sheet. In this red box, you have to choose something that represents this. Toilet paper versus nature. Hugely concerning, terrifying, alarming. Let's post something. Not this one. Not this one. Oh, great. Okay, let's try again. So I'm unlucky with this. Let's try again. This is great. Oh my, I got 1k likes. Great, isn't it? Okay, before we go on, I in the sense means Joel, the avatar I have chosen. So any point you say something negative, it doesn't mean that the game is over. It means that you have to be forced to continue the game. So be careful about that. Truth killers. This is where truth can be hidden and lies can be exposed. Now you're brought into the group. That is my avatar. Oh my god. Okay, so this we have come to the end of level 1. And the technique master is called emotion. This is the basic tool for creating something that has to popularize your fans of the social media. Let's go and continue the second level. My imaginary expert. Alright, now that you're in the group, let's start by rising to fame. Okay, so what do we take? I take the middle one. Okay, so now there's a notification like you can't share something that's all theoretical. Actually, the thing is having this group is different. What do I try to say? Yeah, you have to pay something that is trying to conceal the truth or whatever it is. Okay, let's continue. Sorry, I got deviated from that. Fake. How? So you got somebody, a companion, but your companion will not be active. He's a passive companion. High, deep pain. Deepville University of Life. Seward, MD. Medical Institute of Trafalgar, MIT. Isley, Masters in Naturopathy and Holistic Medicine, Camford. I always take this senior guy. Mr. Dr. Hyde T. Payne. Doesn't matter that he doesn't exist. Let's put something new. Non-corporate again. All these posts will be related to him, but he will not make his appearance. That's what they said about it. Doesn't matter that he doesn't exist. Okay. So what do you take? I take this. It's short, but it will give you more power. You're gaining power. From 1k, I went up to 3k. You'll think it's a very small number for those on social media because you may have 1 million, 2 million, 1 billion, 2 billion of likes or comments or shares or what it is. But this is just baby steps to start gaining power in social media. An interesting factor is coming up in the group. Let's see what it is. Oh my, discredited others. Let's spice it up and see. Funny. You think they are so funny, but they're not. I'll tell you why, but later. First, back to the game. Now it sets off some alarm bells among the non-cooperate group members. Hmm. Great. Let's see how my family members. You see how my family members are doing. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, I'm in the news. Great, isn't it? Wow, what a proud moment. You'll think like that. Actually, in reality, social media, almost like 50 to 60% of social media posts are covered in news. But this is a surprising thing. Once a small group, it has now expanded and even there in the news. Oh, so now I'm also going to be gaining power by spreading something that is dangerous for the society. I hope you understand. For those who are on social media, let's go on. Sorry, I again got deviated from the video. Frankie, what did she say? Hey Joel, no comment. Would you like to be the group administrator and be more in charge? If you're gonna be the group administrator, you are in full power. Absolutely. And that's it. Joel, my avatar, is now very powerful, isn't he? Great. So now I'm the administrator of this group called Not Go Afraid. Thanks to your strategic use of fake expert testimony. This is enough. If you have it, you gain power. I'll tell you later what may happen. The result. Okay, so with this, we have come to the end of round 2. Fake expert. From using emotions, you have gained all the way to become a fake expert in social media. It makes people more likely to believe and trust you. Let's go and jump into the last round. Master of Puppets. What do I take? A coherent explanation. Clips of paint time. What to take? Yeah, something like this will come. Scapegoat. Okay, I think I have to. I'll get it. This one. No, not this one. Ah, this is okay. So the next step is to submit today. The government is something I prefer the most. The government is. Okay, so here we go. Jelly chips in coronavirus vaccine. It's a huge problem. Oh, my likes have also increased. If they more and oh, there's a video as well. Wow. Share before they take it off. Let's post this. Wow, nice job. People don't think you conscious. Tapping of not good fit bubble. out in the bubble. Let's see what's happening. First come faxer. Oh, fact check. What do you want to do with this? Finally, we have reached the extreme stage where now there's nothing to be done but protests in support of everything that's too small. After misleading coronavirus video posts on social media. I say it again. Misleading coronavirus video posts on viral on social media. Reported by Daily News. Done. So this will bring us to the end of the last round, third round. Conspiracy is a new technique mastered. Spreading conspiracy theories is really easy. Pick a topic, a target to blame, and connect the dots. And voila, you get power. Here's the final climax of this game. Well, someone has just told me that I'm the reason behind everything. Suspect group. Crimea River, Julia. Do me a favor and delete my number. Now. Okay, so this we have come to the end of the game. Now we will come to the realization that it is only because of me that I made everybody to do their own way and lead their own life or whatnot. That's it. So now we have ended with this. We have come to the spot and resist the tactics in the future. And I hope that everybody should not fall victim to whatever fake news that comes their way in social media. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And before we leave, we have to see this carefully. Here are the misinformation techniques used by people to gain power by cheating. Emotion, the most basic of all. These are just tools which will help you to gain power in the form of cheating and whatever that's not required for honest people like us. And what you should do, and rather than reacting immediately, be cautious and critical. The emotionally charged words are used in the content you see. That is, you should think twice before you act. That is replying. Fake expert. A lie can appear more reliable when a source backs it up. If that source doesn't exist, is incredible, or was it misquoted, it's easy to be blinded by fancy degrees and medical terminology. Be sure to check the credibility of the source. Conspiracy. In times of uncertainty, such as during the pandemic, it is tempting to look for sinister motives or hidden causes behind what's going on. It's healthy to be skeptical, but in real life, many things cannot be reduced to a simple cause. I thank you a lot for watching this video. As before I said, please don't forget to